In this video, I will show you how to connect Squarespace domain to Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I need you to do is log into your Squarespace account and also log into your Cloudflare account. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna include our Squarespace domain to our Cloudflare account. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Squarespace and we're gonna go to domains. On the domains, we're gonna find the domain. We're going to copy that domain and we're going to go to Squarespace, and where it says to enter existing domain or register a new domain, we're going to enter that domain there. Now from here, we're going to leave the settings as it is, and then we're going to click on continue. It's loading our configuration, and we're going to select the free plan. It says to find the name server sections and to add both of our assigned Cloudflare name servers to the name section. So what we are going to do is, and it's asking us to delete all these name sections. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Squarespace. We're going to go to DNS, and we're going to go to domain servers. Now these are the domain servers that it's asking us to delete. We're going to go to use custom domain, just custom name servers. It's going to ask us to authenticate, and we're going to go through that. Now from here, we're going to go back to Cloudflare, and we're going to choose the domains, the name servers that was given to us. So we're going to click copy, and we're going to come here and we're going to paste the first one, and we're going to go to the Cloudflare, and we're going to click on the second one, and we're going to paste. Now we're going to save. Once we've saved, we're going to come here and we're going to scroll down. We're going to click on check name servers now. Usually it's going to take between 24 to 72 hours to fully propagate. And as you can see here, it says registers take up to 24 hours to process name server changes. That's how you connect Squarespace domain to Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.